Part 1. Directions.
A,
They're making repairs to a vehicle.
B,
They're purchasing some tools.
C,
They're climbing up a ladder.
D,
They're installing a roof on a house.
A,
She's strolling across a street.
B,
She's waiting in a line.
C,
She's standing on a walkway.
D,
She's getting into a vehicle.
A,
Passengers are walking by a counter.
B,
A passenger is pushing a cart.
C,
A counter is being repaired.
D,
Passengers are waiting to check in.
A,
Some crates are stacked on a walkway.
B,
Some bicycles are parked outside.
C,
A tree is being trimmed.
D,
A railing is being removed.
A,
There are some bottles on the ground.
B,
There's a mobile food stand on a walkway.
C,
He's washing a frying pan.
D,
He's pulling a vending cart.
A,
The men are shaking hands.
B,
A sign has been hung from a pole.
C,
Some workers are putting on hard hats.
D,
A street lamp is being installed.
A,
There's a deck overlooking a lake.
B,
Some boats are tied to a pier.
C,
Waves are crashing against the rocks.
D,
A ship is stopped at a dock.
A,
They're measuring some packages.
B,
They're putting labels on some containers.
C,
Some boxes have been stored inside a vehicle.
D,
A van has been parked in a garage.
A,
Pedestrians are running to catch a bus.
B,
Pedestrians are boarding a bus.
C,
A man is holding onto a baby stroller.
D,
A bus is departing from a bus stop.
A,
A man is watering the grass.
B,
A yard is covered in fallen leaves.
C,
A man is pushing a wheelbarrow.
D,
A garden has been planted outside of a building.
A,
Branches have fallen off some trees.
B,
Some people are removing snow from a road.
C,
There are some vehicles lining the side of a street.
D,
Some workers are pulling a car with some equipment.
A,
Some windows are being cleaned outside.
B,
A worker is reaching for a ladder.
C,
Some bushes are being planted on a lawn.
D,
The roof of a home is being repaired.
A,
The man is lacing up his boots.
B,
The man is backing a vehicle into a garage.
C,
The man is maneuvering a machine.
D,
The man is painting a fence.
A,
A road is being repaved.
B,
Workers are climbing up a machine.
C,
A vehicle is entering a factory.
D,
Workers are sitting on the bench.
A, He's putting away some tools. B, He's bending over to load a bucket. C, He's digging with a shovel. D, He's taking a rest on the ground. A,
Some building materials are being unloaded.
B.
Some workers are setting up some cones.
C.
Some construction equipment is being used.
D.
Some trucks are driving down the road.
A,
One of the men is operating heavy machinery.
B,
A wheelbarrow is being positioned near a column.
C,
A shovel has been placed on a tool rack.
D,
The men are wearing safety vests.
A,
A wooden panel is leaning against a wall.
B,
A car is parked behind the truck.
C,
Some items have been loaded onto a truck.
D,
Some boxes are piled on the ground.
A,
A pathway is being paved.
B,
One of the men is getting into a vehicle.
C,
Buildings are lining both sides of a street.
D,
A construction crew is working on a building.
A,
Flowers are being planted in a courtyard.
B,
Leaves are being raked by a man.
C,
Water is being sprayed from a hose.
D,
Grass is being cut with a lawnmower.
A, some tables are lined up in a row. B, a field of grass is being mowed by a man. C, a tool has been left by some bushes. D, some trees are being planted on a street.
A. Some shovels are scattered on the ground. B. Some fence doors are propped open. C. Some ladders have been set up in a construction site. D. Some sculptures have been arranged on a patio. A.
A wheelbarrow is being pushed at the work site.
B.
A man is using a shovel to pile sand.
C.
Some bricks are being stacked on top of one another.
D.
Some scaffolding has been propped up next to a fence.
A. One of the men is using a hammer. B. One of the men is polishing the wood. C. One of the men is lifting a wooden plank. D. One of the men is cutting some metal. A.
A ladder has been left in a garden.
B.
A bucket has been hung on a hook.
C.
Bricks have been loaded in a wheelbarrow.
D.
Wooden planks have been mounted to a wall.
A. The workers are cleaning the wall. B. The workers are standing on a scaffolding. C. One of the men is looking into a toolbox. D. One of the men is climbing some stairs. A.
She's pointing at a tool case.
B.
She's picking up the ladder.
C.
She's laying some bricks.
D.
She's wearing a safety helmet.
A.
Park maintenance work is being carried out.
B.
They're carrying tools to a construction site.
C.
A worker is standing beneath an overhang.
D.
One of the bushes is being watered.
A man is walking across the courtyard.
B.
A man is balanced on a ladder.
C.
2 men are shoveling snow.
D.
Both of the men are using tools.
A.
A tool is being used to clean the window.
B.
A worker is sweeping the pavement.
C.
The man is walking through a doorway.
D.
A window pane is being installed.
A.
The men are shoveling some soil.
B.
A line is being drawn on a road.
C.
A fence is being set up.
D.
One of the men is driving a car.
A.
A woman is wearing a vest.
B.
A woman is standing on a ladder.
C.
One of the men is inspecting a machine.
D.
One of the men is carrying a carton.
A.
A roof is being repaired.
B.
Some people are unloading some boxes.
C.
The men are installing a carpet.
D.
Some construction work is being done.
A.
They're watering lawns with water hoses.
B.
They're trimming bushes along a driveway.
C.
They're working near each other.
D.
They're setting up a wooden fence.
A.
They're making repairs.
A.
They're watering lawns.
A.
A tool is
A.
There are some bottles on the ground.
A.
A wooden panel is leaning against a wall.
B.
A car is parked behind the truck.
C.
Some items have been loaded onto a truck.
A.
A wheelbarrow is being pushed at the work site.
B.
A man is using a shovel to pile.
A.
A.
Park maintenance work is being carried out.
B.
They're carrying tools to a construction